Hi everyone. As an extension on our water pouring activities, you can make a water glass xylophone with your children. So for that you need any amount of glasses or mason jars that you have. Preferably they need to be all the same size and shape. That will just work better. Then you can get your child to help you pour different levels of water into the jars or glasses and help you color it. You can use a little bit of tape on the mason jars if you want your child to fill it, to help them know when to stop. So you can say, let's try and fill up this jar up to the tape. So once you've done your glasses and you fill them with water, you can give your child actually different spoons and they can see what works best. So I'm going to try first with my plastic spoon. Okay, my metal spoon. And then my wooden spoon. I personally think the wooden spoon works best, but you can give it a go and see what happens. A good opportunity to also talk to your child about pitch, about the high pitch and the low pitch, and just let them explore and have fun with it. And if they end up mixing the colors together, also great. Enjoy.